नमो नमः. नमो नमः. रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. We just completed the first act last time. Now we will start with the second anka. In the previous anka, in the previous act, we know how Dasharatha's situation is. Because at the end, when Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, they are leaving for forest, Kanchukiya comes there and describes them, na khalu gantavya. And then he describes how Dasharatha's condition is. And he says that he is like a Kantara Dvirada. He is like a Kantara Dvirada. Iva upayati jirna. He is jirna. He is like a Kantara Dvirada. Then because of his sad mental condition, he does not even sleep on Manchaka. He lies on Bhumi, Shochasane, and on Bhumi he is, covered with all the dust over his body. He is not bothered about everything. He is just engrossed in his sorrow, viraha dukkha of his children. The same is continued, the condition of Dasharatha, we can see here. And when we read this very verse which I told you just now, with that we can imagine what we will study in the next anka. So, here is the condition of Dasharatha, and what happens to him we will see in this same anka. अथ द्वितीयो अंकः ततः प्रविशति कांचुकीयः. Kanchukiya enters. See, at any time, the new chapter, new anka, does not start with the main characters in it. It is always, Kanchukiya or Cheti or somebody else, enters the stage, and then he tells about the, previous part of the Katha Vastu, or what has happened, now we are meeting, but in between, when the sutra was left behind, after that, what has happened up till now, all those things are explained by these patras, which are not main characters. They are secondary characters, and they just narrate us the story of Katha Vastu in between. What happened? This saves the time also. So each and everything you cannot present on the stage. Some are to be explained, some are to be assumed, some are to be imagined. So here is the pravesha. Tataha pravishati Kanchukiya. Kanchukiya says, Bhoho pratihara vyaprutaha sveshu sthaneshu apramatta bhavantu bhavantaha. Bhoho pratihari vyaprutaha. The doorkeepers. Now, sveshu sthaneshu. All of you, please stay at a place which is designated to you, where you are supposed to be. You don't leave that place, and do not make any mistake about this. Apramatta. Pramada is mistake. Dosha. So, do not make any mistake. Apramatta bhava, and take care of your duty and stay wherever you are asked to stay. Don't leave the place. He is very serious. He is very serious about it because he says, apramatta bhava. Why is he serious? Because pravishya, pratihari, another dwarapalika, comes there and he says, Arya kimetat, what is this? Kanchukiya says, Eshaha hi Maharajaha Satyavachana Rakshana Param Ramam Aranyam Gachantam Upavartayitum Ashaktaha Putra Viraha Shokagnina Dagdha Hrudayaha Unmatta Iva Bahu Pralapan Samudra Grahake Shayanaha. This is the answer given by Kanchukiya to Pratihari because she has asked, what has happened? What is it? And he says, Eshaha hi Maharaja. This is Maharaja. How is he? Shayanaha. Bahu Pralapan. Asambadha Bhashanam. Whatever he talks is not nirarthaka, it doesn't carry any sense. Nirarthakam bhashanam kuruvan is pralapan. So he is like that. And he is satya, and why he is like that? Because he is unmatta iva. He is mad. He is mad with his sorrow. What was that sorrow? How was he? Dagdha Hrudayaha, as if his heart was burnt. Putra Shokagnina, his heart was burnt with a fire of Putra Viraha. Fire is Putra Viraha. It is like how fire burns a thing. The Putra Viraha has burnt his heart, and because of that he has become Unmatta, and he is Bahu Pralapan. He is talking all Nirarthakam Bhashanam. And now he is Ashaktaha also. He is Ashakta. What he cannot do, what he is not able to do, Upavartayitum, to bring him back. Upavartayitum. Whom? Ramam Aranyam Gachantam. And how is Rama? Satyavachana Rakshana Param. Satyavachana, the truth. And he will always, keep whatever he has said. Whatever he says, he follows it and he sticks to it and he never changes his vachana. So he is Satyavachana Rakshana Param. Satyavachana Rakshana Param Ramam Aranyam Gachantam Upavartayitum Ashaktaha. So he has Putra Viraha. His Putra has gone away now, and because of his Viraha, there is Shoka in his Hridaya, and that fire of Shoka has burnt his heart, and because of that, Unmatta Iva, like a mad person, Bahu Pralapan Samudra Gruhake Shayanaha. He is sleeping at Samudra Gruhaka. Now what that Samudra Gruhaka means, we will see. Samudra Gruhaka means Krutakasya Samudrasya Nikatavarti Gruhe. There is a false sea created of water, and near that false sea there is Nikatavartini Gruha. Because of the water, the Gruha remains very cool and Alladadayaka. Krutaka Samudra Nirmanam hi Krida Shailadi Nirmanavat. Like how Krida Shaila, to play, there is a Krutaka Shaila created. So similarly here, a Gruha is created by creating Krutaka ocean-like thing near that Gruha. Or Samudra means Mudrabhihi Sahitam Gruham. समुद्रगृहं नाम प्रासादारामे निदाघ उष्मनिवारणार्थं जलोद्गारयंत्रसनाथं क्रीडागृहम. और समुद्रगृह का मीन्स मुद्राभिः सहितं गृहं समुद्रगृहम. प्रासादारामे, in the prasada, the garden, arama is garden, in the garden of that prasada, nidaga ghosha, the heat, nidagha ushma nivaranartha, the heat created by sun to nivaraya, for its nivaranartham, this samudragrahaka is created. Then there is jalodgara yantra sanatham, jala udgara, there is a fountain around it to keep it cool, and kridagraham, jalodgara yantra sanatham kridagraham. Also it can mean samudragraham iti uktam jalayantra niketanam. It's a place where fountains are there and they keep the part of that place is cool, very cool, and it's very comfortable, especially in the sun it is very comfortable. In Swapnavasavattam also we come across this. Padmavati, Udayan's second king, is suffering from Shirsha Vedana, and for that Shirsha Vedana everybody is worried because Udayan is, everybody likes Udayana, and they feel sorry that his first queen Vasavadatta is Uparata, she is no more. So somehow he marries Padmavati, but now Padmavati has developed Shirsha Vedana, so everybody is worried. Oh, what will happen to Padmavati? Will she recover from this Shirsha Vedana? Is it serious? So they attend to her in every possible way, and then they keep her, they make a bed for her in Samudragraha, because that Samudragraha is very cool and comfortable for a person being there. So she was to go there and sleep and take rest, and some people will attend to her in Samudragraha. And then they inform Udayan also that Padmavati has Shirsha Vedana and she will be in Samudragraha. King Udayana goes there, he finds no Padmavati is there. Padmavati has not yet come. So he just lies down on that bed and then he falls asleep. And Vasavadatta comes there thinking Padmavati is there. So in the sleep he talks to Vasavadatta, that is Swapna Vasavadattam. So that incident takes place there in that Samudragraha. So that has significance. In Malavika Agnimitra also we find this reference. Malavika with her friend Bakulavalika, they sit in Samudragraha and they are discussing among themselves. They are talking about what else, of course about Raja Agnimitra, and then Bakulavalika knows her mind, and then they talk to each other. They show her, Bakulavalika shows picture to her, and everything what is going on in this Samudragraha, Raja Agnimitra, he sees that through window, and then he gets convinced that Malavika is really in love with him. He was already in love with Malavika, but now he knows the vice versa also, and then he feels very happy. So there also Samudragraha reference has been made. Now he further describes him. Merushchalan iva yugakshaya sannikarshe shosham vrajan iva mahodadhi aprameyaha suryaha patan iva cha mandala matra lakshaha shokat bhrusham shithila dehamati narendraha. He is like Shithila Dehamatihi. His body and mind very loose. His body and mind are very loose. They are not under his control. Why? Shokat, Bhrusham. Because of the severe shoka, severe sorrow he is experiencing, he is out of his mind. He has no control over his deha also. That means he cannot hold it properly and stand properly. So he has become Shithila Deha Matihi. And how he appears? Meru Chalan Iva Yogakshaya Sannikarshe. Like Meru, having its foundation shaking at Yugakshaya, Yugasya Antaha, Yugantaha, Yugakshaya, Tasya Sannikarshe, Sannidhane, when Yugakshaya, Yugasya Anta is nearby, what all things happen, that is described. Sannikarshe, that is Sannidhane, Asanne Pralaye, when a pralaya is nearby, asanna, when a pralaya is nearby, Meru is shaking, having its foundation shaking. So, the Narendra is like Meru, or the measureless great ocean beginning to dry up. Mahodadhihi. How is that Mahodadhihi? Aprameyaha. You cannot measure it, you cannot imagine how deep it is or how big it is, you cannot imagine. So, aprameyaha, who cannot be measured. So, such kind of Mahodadhi, as if it is drying up. All that water is drying up at the Yuganta. Or like the sun falling down, the sun is falling down with his orb only visible. Suryaha patanniva cha mandala matra lakshaha. Only his orb is seen, that is only visible, but he is not, shining. So his teja has become less and only little bit of his orb is remaining. So here, all three are compared with Narendra. Meruhu, so when in his normal condition he would be like Meru Parvata or Mahodadhihi or Tejasvi Surya. All three adjectives describe Maharaja. And now the Pralaya, Yuganta, his end is nearing. So at that time, how does he look like? That is, as if the Meru is shaking its foundation, or Mahodadhi is being, dry up, and like sun falling down with his orb only visible. Teja Samharat ityarthaha. And Maharaja is Bhrusham Atyantam Shithilaha Dehaha Matihi Yasya Tadrushaha Narendraha. There is lying there. Pratihari says, Ha ha, evam gato Maharaja. They feel very sad. They love their king. The king takes good care of Prajajana and everybody. So they all love him, respect him. So Pratihari feels bad and she says, Ha ha, evam gato Maharaja. Kanchukeya says, Bhavati gacha. Arya tata, she says, and she goes. She has to do her duty, and now this is a serious prasanga has come, so they are very serious and to follow their duties. Kanchukiya sarvataha vilokya. He looks around everywhere and he says, Aho nu khalu rama nirgamanadinad rambhya shunya iva ayam ayodhya saulakshate. He looks around here and there and he says, Aho nu khalu. This, Aho nu khalu, this pada samudaya expresses kheda, dukkha, alas, what is this? Aho nu khalu Ram nirgamana dinat arabhya. The day Ram has left for forest, from that day itself, Shunya iva ayam Ayodhya samlakshate. This Ayodhya looks shunya. This Ayodhya has no activity. Everybody is sad and, they are all thinking about Rama, so nobody is very active. As if nothing is happening in Ayodhya. The city which was full of activity is showing no activity. Shunya ivadla saulakshati. And then he describes what all things. Its effect of Rama going to Vana is on everybody, He says, Nagendraha yavasabhilasha vimukhaha. Nagendraha means these elephants, Nagendra, elephants. This is Rajabhavana, so elephants, horses, everyone, all Sena is present there. So he has observed everyone and he says, Nagendraha, the Nagendras, elephants, Yavasaha. Yavasa is tender grass. They have Yavase Abhilashaha, Yavasa Abhilashaha. Generally they eat Yavasa, that is tender grass. But now they are Vimukhaha. They have no appetite. They don't feel like eating. Naturally, when a person is very sad, he doesn't feel like eating. Here even the elephants do not feel like eating their usual tender grass. Then Vajinaha Sasrekshanaha. Vajinaha means Ashvaha, horses. Asraihi Sahite, that is Sahasre Ikshana. Sahasre Akshini Yesham Te Sasrekshanaha. That is, they are Sashru Nayanaha. Hesha Shunya Mukhaha. Hesha is neighing of the horses. That also they are not doing. Tyaktahara kathaha yaihi te tyakta ahara katha. Who are like that? Savruddha vanita balascha pauraha janaha. Pauraha janaha. Paura means, pura means city, nagara. Those who are sitting in nagara, those who are staying in nagara are pauraha, paurajanaha. They are savruddha vanita balascha, vruddhaha vanitaha balascha. They are all tyaktahara katha. They have not, talk much among themselves. They have left their ahara also. They must not be cooking food also because they have no appetite to eat. Now they are sudina vadanaha. Their vadana, their faces look very deena. They are, very pathetic. And krandanta, they are shouting, Uchchair disha. Uchchair disha. They Uchchaihi krandantaha. Uchchaihi krandantaha. Disha Ramo yati yaya disha sadara sahajaha Ramaha yati tam disham pashyanti. Sudina vadanaha pauraha janaha savruddha vanita balascha. They are tyaktahara kathaha Sudina vadanaha krandantaha uchchaihi and Ramo yaya disha Ramo yati sadara sahajaha tam eva pashyanti ami. Sadara means along with his wife, Sahadara, and Sahaja. Sahaja in Sahajayate, iti Sahajaha, that is his brother Lakshmana. So they are all looking at the direction in which Rama, Lakshmana and Bharata, Ram, Lakshmana and Sita have gone. Yavat ahamapi maharajasya samipavarti bhavishyami. Let me go and stay by the side of the king. So he also goes there. Parikramya avalokya. Aye ayam maharajo mahadevya sumitrayacha sudusahamapi putra viraha samudbhavam shokam निगृह्य आत्मानम एव संस्थापयन्तीभ्याम अन्वास्यमानस तिष्ठति. What he sees there when he goes near Maharaja, he sees ye ayam Maharajaha. Here is Maharaja. And how he is he? Mahadevya, that is Kausalya, she is eldest one, so she is Mahadevi. Mahadevya, Sumitrayacha, along with Sumitra, Sudussahamapi putra viraha samudbhavam shokam. The shoka which was utpanna, udbhavam, due to putra viraha samudbhavam shokam, sudussahamapi. It's very difficult for them to tolerate that, to bear that shoka. Even then, they are sitting there. And nigruhya atmanam eva. They are controlling their dukkha, their shoka, and they are looking after Maharaja. Sausthapayanti bhyam anvasya manas tishtati. They are sitting near Maharaja and trying to comfort him. Kashta khalu avastha vartate. This is a very, very hard situation. Eshaha Maharaja. Now he sees Maharaja and he describes Patati Utthaya cha Utthaya. He gets up, trying to get up from the bed. Then again he falls down. Patati. Again he tries to get up from the bed. Utthaya. Again he falls down. Ha ha iti uchchaihi lapan muhu. Ha ha. She almost cries loudly. Uchchaihi lapan muhu. Again and again he cries loudly. Ha ha. And disham pashyati tam eva. He looks in the same direction. Yaya yataha raghu udvaha. Raghu udvaha means Raghu kulasya shreshtaha Ramaha Raghu vanshasya Alankaraha, Avatansaha, Shreshtaha, Ramaha is his heart. It's almost his heart. His heart is broken because Rama has gone. He keeps on looking at Rama in the direction where Rama had gone. After describing, he goes. And now comes Vishkambhaka. After describing the situation or condition of Dasharatha, the work of Kanchukiya is finished. He has no reason to stay on the stage. So he leaves the stage and goes. This is Mishra Vishkambhaka. Mishra Vishkambhaka, is Vrittavartishamananam Kathanam Nidarshakaha. As I told you at the beginning of this Anka, whatever things have happened and what all things are happening, they just narrate to the audience. So that lower level characters, they appear on the stage during this Vishkambhaka and narrate the story. That is Mishra Vishkambhaka. Tataha pravishati yatha nirdishto raja devyaucha. Then you see, when this Kanchukiya is there on the stage, he just describes and goes away. And then the Darshaka, the audience, knows what to imagine, what they are going to see next. So Datah Pravishati Yatha Nirdishto Raja Devyau Cha. Both the queens and Raja, they appear on the stage. Raja says, Ha Vatsa Rama Jagatam Nayanabhirama, Ha Vatsa Lakshmana Salakshana Sarvagatra, Ha Sadhvi Maithili Patisthita Chitta Vrutte, Ha Ha Gataha Kilabanam Batame Tanujaha. He says, ha ha. His ha ha has no end. He says, ha Vatsarama, Jagatam, ha Vatsarama, Jagatam Nayanabhirama. One which gives Ananda, Santosha to Nayana is Nayanabhirama. Kausalya Nandana, Kausalya Nayanabhirama. Now Lokabhirama, we have seen Lokabhiramam. Now in Ramaraksha Kavacha also we recite Vande Lokabhiramam Raghukulatillakam Raghavam Ravanarim. So here he is Nayanabhirama. He gives Santosha to Dasharatha's eyes. Ha Vatsa Lakshmana Salakshana Sarvagatra. Now he says Salakshanani. Now Salakshana Sarvagatram. All his gatras, his limbs, they show good chinna, lakshanas. Now Lakshana here means Salakshanani, means Samudrikokta Shubha Lakshana Shalini Sarvani Asheshani Gatrani Avayavaha Yasya Saha. In Samudrika, all good Lakshanas are explained, and Lakshmana had those Samudrika Lakshanas all over his Gatra, that is Avayava. Now he says, Ha Sadhvi Maithili, Sadhu Sadhvi, Saha Sadhvi Maithili, and then how is she? Patisthita Chitta Vritti. Now Patyau means Swamini, Sthita Avichala Bhavena Vartmana. Avichala Bhavanena, her Chitta is at the Charana of Pati. She is always thinking about her Pati. That is, she is Pativra, she is following the Vrata of Pativratya. So Patisthita Chitta Vritti Maithili. And then says, Ha ha Gataha Kilavanam Batame Tanujaha. Now Rama and Lakshmana, they are his Tanuja. Born out from his body. Tanuja Jayate. So they are born out of his body. But now here he calls Sadhvi Maithili. Maithili, his daughter-in-law also, Tanujaha. She is also included in that because he really loves Sita. Chitram idam. He says, Chitram idam bhoho yat bhratru snehat pitari vimukta sneham api tavan lakshmanam drashtum ichhami. He feels bad. Rama has gone to forest, yes, but Lakshmana has also gone with him. He did not think of his father. Oh, that means he loves his father less and he loves his brother Rama more. He loves Rama more than me. That is why he has left me and he had gone. He didn't have to go to forest with Rama, but he had gone. He has given more weightage to Rama. So he has gone there. So he feels, and then he says, even then I feel like seeing Lakshmana. I am not angry with him, but I have love for him and I want to see him. Is this not strange? That comes in his mind. And then Vadhu Vaidehi, she says, Ramena api parityaktaha Lakshmanena cha garhitaha ayasho bhajanam loke parityaktaha Tvayapi aham. You have also left me. You also abandoned me. Now Ramena Parityaktaha. Rama has abandoned me. I am abandoned by Rama and Lakshmanena cha garhitaha. He must have heard from somewhere that Lakshmana was angry with Bharata. What all things he talked to Rama, Dasharatha must have heard about them or imagined that Lakshmana is also angry with me and that's why he has gone with Rama. So he says Lakshmanena garhitaha, that means ninditaha, reprehended by Lakshmana. Now, ayasho bhajanam loke. I, the object of infamy in the world. Ayasho bhajana. Ayasho bhajana. Ayashaha bhajana. People talk ill about me also, and they are, object of infamy. I have become object of infamy in this world. Parityaktaha tvayapi aham. You have also abandoned me. Putra Rama, Vatsa Lakshmana, Vadhut Vaidehi, Prayachhata me prativachanam putrakaha. He says, please answer me. Please answer my question. Please give me prativachanam. I said this is my vachana. You give me prativachana for this. I am eager to hear that. Putrakaha. Putrakaha, it means kaha pratyaya over there after putra is for anukampa. Anukamparthe kah is added there. Shunyamidam bhoho. This is really, it has all become shunya, void of everything. Na me kaschit prativachanam prayachati. No one is answering me. Not Rama, not Lakshmana, not Vaidehi. None of them is answering my question. None of them is giving me prativachana. Kausalya mata kvasi. Kausalya mata means Kausalya mata yasya saha Ramaha. Rama kvasi. Where are you? Satyasandha jitakrodha vimatsara Jagat Priya Guru Shushrushane Yukta Prativakyam Prayachame. He says, give me Prativakya, Prativachana, and then he calls Rama and give with all these adjectives, Visheshana, he calls Rama Satyasandha, that is Satyasandha Pratidnya Asya iti Satyasandha. In this Visheshana is applied to him in Rama Raksha also. Rajendram Satyasandham Dasharatha Tanayam Shamalam Shantamurtim. So he is Satyasandha. Satyasandha Pratidnya Asya iti Satyasandha. Then he is Jitakrodha. He has control over his anger. Jitakrodha. Then he has Vimatsara. Vigataha matsaraha asmat. Vigataha matsaraha. The matsara has gone from his mind. So he is vimatsara. He is not jealous of anybody. Jagat priya. He is priya to all the world. Guru Shushrushane Yuktaha. You are always devoted to the service of the elders. Give me reply, please. No answer, of course. Ha, kva asau sarvajana hridaya nayana abhiramo Ramaha. Now he says, kva asau, where is he? Sarvajana hridaya nayana abhiramaha. One who gives joy to everybody's heart and eyes. Where is he? Kva asau maya guruvanuruttihi. Now he said, where is? And he is devoted to the service of the elders. Always. Kva asau mai guru vritti means he is always, devoted to the service of the elders. So he was devoted to the service of his father also. Naturally, because of that, he is following his orders. Kva asau shokarteshu anukampa. Those who are shokartha means those who are very sad people, those who are in difficulty, for them he always helped and he always had karuna, daya for those people and he has helped them. So where is he? Kva asau trunavat ganita rajya ishwarya. Where is he? Where is he who has comforted those who were in sorrow? Where is he who despised the royalty like a blade of grass, trunavat? By abandoning me, what have you to do with the duty? What is not connected with you? This duty is not connected with you. Your duty is to me. So you have abandoned me and you have the thing which was not even concerned with you, you have done it. Why did you do it? He is talking asambandha. That is why all these things are there. Putra Rama vruddham pitaram mam parityajya kim asambandhena dharmena te krutyam. To look after me was your duty. So you abandoned me and you went to forest. Why did you do that? You were not concerned with this, going to forest and leaving me, but you did it. Ha dhik, kashtam bhoho. This gives him immense, sorrow. And he says, Surya iva gato ramaha, Suryam divasa iva lakshmano anugataha, Surya divasavasane chayeva na drishyate Sita. He says, Rama has departed like the sun. Lakshmana has followed him as the daylight does the sun. Sita is not seen like a shadow at the disappearance of the sun and daylight. So this simply shows inseparablness of the two. Sun is Rama and Chaya. They are not separated because when the sun is there, there is Chaya. When sun sets and the daylight disappears, Chaya also disappears. So Chaya and sun, they are inseparable. So, Urdhvam avalokya. He looks up and says, Bhoho krutantah taka. O you evil fate. Anapatya vayam. Ramaha putraha anyasya mahipatehe. Vane vyagri cha kaikai. Tvaya kim na krutam trayam. He is asking the fate. Krutantah taka. He gives dosha to fate also. He says, it was in your hands. You should have done it. Why did you not do the three things? And what those three things are? Anapatya vayam. We were without apatya. Anapatya is no apatya. We were childless. Me, sonless. The son, Rama, putraha, anyasya mahipatehe. Rama, the son of another king, not mine. And Kaikai, a tigress in forest. You should have made Kaikai a tigress in forest because she was stone-hearted. She was cruel, Kaikeyi was a princess. So he says, instead of making her princess, you should have made her a tigress in forest, because she was cruel-hearted like tigress. So you should have made her tigress. She has no daya in her heart. She is very cruel. So he is asking fate, why did you not do these three things? Kausalya, saruditam. She is crying and says, Alam idanim maharajaha atimatram santapya paravasham atmanam kartum. Kausalya is trying to, compose him. And she says, Alam idanim. Now enough. Maharaja, now it is enough. Atimatram santapya. Alam atimatram santapya. Do not, please do not, get so much deeply engrossed in this sorrow. Come out of it. Paravasham atmanam kartum alam. You have lost the control over everything. Your mind, your body, you are talking like this because of the sorrow. So you are becoming paravasha, because you are not atmavasha now. That means you are paravasha. So paravasham atmanam kartum alam. Nanu sa तौ च कुमारौ महाराजस्य समयावसाने प्रेक्षयितव्या भविष्यन्ति. And she is telling him now, sa means Vaidehi, tau cha kumarau, Rama and Lakshmana, Maharajasya samayavasane, when that condition was there, that they have to stay in forest for 14 years. So when those 14 hours, the period of that samaya, when it comes to end, they will come back and then you can see them. So control yourself. When Kausalya is saying this, Raja doesn't recognize her properly. He asks, Katvam bhoho, who are you? Kausalya says, Asnigdha putra prasavini khalu aham. Asnigdha, snigdha means loving. She says, I am Asnigdha prasavini. She calls herself that. Why? Because Kausalya, in her dejection, calls Rama Asnigdha prasavini. She has put, because he has put his father's life in danger by his, nigraha of going to forest. So he has shown no love for his father. So she calls him Asnigdha putra. And Dasharatha, however, does not like this. She says, I have given birth to a son who has no love for father. Asnigdha, who is loveless. Raja says, Kim sarvajana hridaya nayanabhiramasya Ramasya janani tvamasi Kausalya. Here he says, he suddenly, he doesn't like his son, calling Asnigdha. So he immediately replies, Kim, that is Dvirukti of Kim. Why? Sarvajana hridaya nayana abhiramasya Ramasya janani tvam asi Kausalya. You are his mother. But here he says, uses the word not mata, but says janani. That means you have given birth to him. You have carried in your garbha and you have given birth to him. So you are his janani. So you cannot say that. You Kausalya, Then Kausalya says, Maharaja, sa eva mandabhagini khalu aham. I am that unfortunate one. I am that unfortunate one. Kausalya, the Raja says, Saravati khalu asi. Kausalye, Saravati khalu asi. Tvayahi khalu Ramaha garbhe dhrutaha. Sara means balavan. You are balavati. You have that strength. You are Saravati, you are Balavati, and that is why you have carried a son like Rama in your garbha. Saravati khalu asi. And he says, Aham hi dukkham atyantam asahyam jvalanopamam na eva sodhum na samhartum shaknomi mushitendriyaha. He says, you are fortunate because you are Ramasya Janani. But only I am aham hi dukkham, aham nitantam asahyam, dukkham atyantam asahyam, aham nitantam asahyam, that is sodhum ashakyam, jvalanopamam, that is agnitulyam, jvalanopamam, dukkham tat tulanacha santapa pradanat. Because of santapa, the santapa is so severe, so it is compared with fire. Agnitulyam, jvalanopamam. Naiva sodhum shakyam, dukkham priyatama putra pravasat. His putra has gone away in forest. So because of that, the dukkha which is samutpanna in my mind, in my heart, samutpannam klesham dukkham naiva sodhum marshayitum, and na eva sodhum, that is marshayitum shaknomi, na samhartum pratikriyaya apanetum shaknomi. I cannot tolerate also, I cannot keep it aside also, I cannot apanetum, I cannot push it aside, because mushitendriyaha, I have become mushitendriyaha. Mushitani means upahata samarthyani. The indriyas have lost their samarthya, that is power. All his indriyas have lost their samarthya, and that is why he cannot tolerate it also, and he cannot push it aside also. So this is the condition. So he says, then he sees Sumitra there. He does not recognize her also, and asks her, Iyam aparaka, who is this? The other one. Kausalya says, Maharaja, Vatsa Lakshmana. She leaves it halfway. She doesn't utter that full word. She doesn't utter that full word. And she says, Maharaja, Vatsa Lakshmana. When she was halfway of her answer, Raja Sahasa Utthaya, suddenly he gets up and says, Ko asau Lakshmana. Ko asau Lakshmana. Twice, Dvirukti again here. Lakshmana, where is Lakshmana? Where is he? Na drushyate. Oh, I cannot see him. Is he here? How is that I cannot see him? And he says, oh, ho, kashtam. This is very, very painful. Then Devyav Sasambramam Utthaya. Then both the ladies, both the queens, Kausalya and Sumitra, they are struck with Sambhrama, and then they get up and they hold Raja in his position. They give him support, And Kausalya says, Maharaja, Vatsa Lakshmanasya Janani Sumitra iti vaktum maya upakrantam. I was about to say that she is Vatsa Lakshmanasya Janani. Such is the condition of Maharaja. And then he says further, Ayi Sumitre tavaeva putraha satputraha yena naktam divam vane Ramaha Raghukula Shrestha Chayaya iva anugamyate. Anybody who is with Rama, he is a good person. Satputraha. He calls him Satputra. Lakshmana is Satputra as it is, but now he feels bit, sad that Lakshmana left him and went with Rama. So he calls him, he is Satputra because Raghukula Shrestha Rama, he looks after Raghukula Shrestha Rama, and to do that duty, he has followed Rama to forest. So, let us conclude here and see what happens next and how things develop. Okay? So, let us conclude over here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.